Welcome again to Dear Wholesale classes. I hope you are fit and fine. Be concentrated on this video as we are going to discuss a important, very interesting fact about some living creatures or animals. Those animals are known by everyone. Okay, if you are ready, let's begin. Today's topic: Secret Beauty. In this animal kingdom, there are many creatures that looks really unhealthy या uncanny. But there is a purpose behind those ugly looks. Wildlife filmmakers and adventurer Nigel Marven travels in search of the world's oddest looking animals which do not conform to conventional beauty and find out why they look the way they do. Every species holds its own peculiar fascinations regardless of how it appears in the world, preoccupied with beauty. Being ugly in the animal world has its own advantage. For some animals, the odious make them more attractive to the opposite sex, and in some cases, ugliness can make the difference between life and death. Today, we will learn about just like animals, yeah, creatures like vultures, the rare Asian star-nosed moles, warthogs, bats, but fox, naked mole rats, a northern bull elephant seals. So, are you ready to listen it?
Okay, listen carefully. First, uncanny creatures named vultures. A vulture is a scavenging bird of prey. It usually feeds on carrion, means dead or dying animal. It uses their large wings to soar in the air for many miles without having to flap. Its are also called buzzard. New bird vultures are related to storks and use their senses of smell to find their foods. Its have excellent senses of sight and smell to help them locate food, and they can find a dead animal from a mile or more away. Types of vultures. There are 23 main type of vultures in this world. Like this, bearded vultures, Turkey vultures, Andean vultures, black vultures, Gibbons vultures, king vultures, Indian vultures, white rumped vultures, Egyptian vultures, Himalayan vultures, etc. Among them, the Raffles griffon vultures is the world's highest flying bird. Vultures can eat up to 20% of their own body weight in one sitting. Vultures are equipped with a digestive system that contains special acid that will dissolve anthrax or cholera bacteria. How many years does a vulture live? Black vultures 10 years, king vultures 30 years. How tall is a vulture? These giant birds can grow up to 4 feet tall. They have a wingspan between 7 to 9 feet and usually weigh around 10 to 15 pounds. Okay.
Be concentrated on this video to get more information about Indian vulture. Next uncanny bird, named the rare Asian stork, The Asian stork or Asian openbill stork is a large wading bird in the stork family. This distinctive stork is found mainly in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Like vultures, the Asian storks have blurred head to help their feeding as they are prone to not only dive for fish but also into mounds of decaying grubs. Their unattractiveness is heightened by inflatable air sac, a pouch at the front and a giant strawberry shaped one at the back. They show dominance by inflating their sac. Storks are regularly disoriented by lighthouse along the southeast coast of India on overcast nights between August and September. This species is very rare in the Sindh and Punjab regions of Pakistan, but underfed and common in India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand and Cambodia. Next uncanny creature named the star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole is a small mole found in moist low area in the northern part of North America. It is the only members of the tribe having a touch organ with more than 25,000 minute sensory receptors known as Emer's organ. Their nose is not used for smelling, it used for touch to feel around and hunt prey in darkness. It can touch up to 12 different places in a single second. Their star-nosed rays are in a constant motion when exploring. Their star nose is the most sensitive touch organ known in any mammals. It contains 1 lakh nerve fibers. Star-nosed moles are functionally blind. Their eyes are barely visible due to their dense fur, but like all moles, they are not completely blind. They are color blind and see poorly. They can only see light and movement. They eat faster than any other mammal on the earth. They are semi-aquatic creatures. They can smell underwater also.